working on Larry's car here this morning. We're trying to get the steering shaft up through the middle. The reason this isn't in is because the steering column wasn't painted a while back, but now it's all painted and looking pretty. So because of the headers, we've got to drop the steering box so that we can run everything through there. And hopefully this works out good. You'll see the car. Larry, what do you think? It's gonna work out good today?
That's second time it will.
Yeah.
Gotta do everything 2 times.
We're gonna measure this, and Larry is adjusting this to what?
1 3/4 inch and 700 thousandths.
Plus or minus 0.2.
0.2. 10. That's a thousandths. Yeah. Okay, right there it is.
So there it is, and now we're gonna tighten up the bolts underneath. I'll show you. There's 2 bolts there. I know they're hard to see, but
we adjust tighten this. We keep this from with the clamp out front.
Right. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, my bad. So the clamp out front, and I'll show you. I'll get out and show you. Now here's underneath the car, and what I want to show you with this little slot here. Always hard to talk upside down. This little slot here gives you some back and forth adjustment, okay? And here's the 2 nuts that hold this clamp on. Larry's tightening the clamp on the shaft right now. We get the steering shaft in, and the other part I was telling you about is right here.
What is that sound again?
All right. Now we're looking to connect up the wiring harness here, and I had trouble finding it, so I sent Larry down there. Don't look up his pants. Got a hole in his pants. Just to make sure I got this on film, Larry wants me to make sure I told all you listeners out there. Right here is the pin, okay? Comes out of here, and it grounds on the back side of this so it can spin. Now we're going to put this in here. All right, you got the spring. We had another spring, it didn't fit down in there so well. This one seems to fit down well. And then we got this piece, and you see there's multiple holes there, but we're going to put that in this top hole, Larry? The top hole?
For the horn?
Yeah.
Should be a middle one, right?
No.
3?
No, there's 2.
Then the top one, the bigger one.
The top one is where it seems to want to be.
Yeah, it's a big one.
And then we're gonna get the nut ready and screw that down. I don't know, they look about the same size, but now I got the washer, outer cap, washer, nut coming through here. Everything's looking good, lined up. So now we're gonna I just want to make sure everything fit there before we put the steering wheel on. All right, now the steering wheel screw on, Larry, on this, or now we're putting the steering column or steering wheel together. So here's assembly manual. It's on page 428 here, and there's a certain way this needs to go together. And Larry's going to show us the canceller on the other. Take the canceller back out on the other side. So the canceller, that's the canceller.
That's that piece.
And when we press this, it's going to make contact down here. And there's your slip ring for electrical. So he's going to pay attention. It went through that hole. And then this piece, this little adapter piece, has a little, flip that upside down. It's got a little tab right there. And it's got to hit this button right here. So that's going to get screwed together there. All right? But first we got to have the steering wheel goes on first, and then this piece goes on top of there. And then the horn button is going to go right on top of there. And it's just going to snap in place. And, of course, we're off the car right now. We're just kind of showing you how this goes together. Because I can't stay. I got to get going. I got to get to dinner, and Larry's going to take a couple pictures when he gets this done. All right? Okay?
Thank you.
All right, I wasn't able to go over to Larry's to videotape all this, but he took some pictures for me. And as you can see, the horn canceller and the spring is in place there. And even with a crack, it's still going to work just fine. There's no crack on the metal behind. And then just wanted to show you that we got the seats done. We were waiting to put the steering wheel back on until the seats were actually in the car, because it's a little easier to work around things when the seats are in, and then put the steering wheel on. So there's a picture of all the seats in the car, looking good. And then Larry had to do a little bit of work on the steering wheel. You can see this metal piece that is screwed on there with 3 screws there, and then you can see how it's the other screws hold it to the hub on the steering wheel. So there it is, installed in place, and then a cap goes on top of that for the horn button. So that basically completes the steering wheel. This is the wood steering wheel. Of course, I had a plastic steering wheel that was also available, but this would be the optional wood, and they also had an imitation plastic one too, but looks pretty good. Got everything in place, and then got a lot of the stickers in place. So I did a little research, called up my buddy Orlando, and he showed me a couple pictures of Baltimore cars from that era, and that's how I placed the stickers on the car. And of course had to apply the stickers to the air cleaner too. So that's about it. Alright, so if there's something you didn't see, put a little question in the bleep bloops down below, and I'll try to answer them for you. And don't forget to click like and subscribe. It really helps my channel out. Appreciate all you guys. See ya.